And the idea here, in terms of what's going on with um, looking at this cap and making changes to it, or even getting rid of it, in part has to do with the belief that with this cap, it's creating a potential for some markets to be underserved. In other words, there are parts of the country where the median home price and therefore the loan amounts are much, much lower than they are in other parts of the country, such as Southern California. Yes, there are communities out there where the average loan amount might be, 70,000, 80,000, 120,000. So the argument is, if the originator is going to get paid a percentage of the loan amount and it can't exceed 3%, including the lender fee, well, they can't make a living. They can't profitably originate those loans if they're dealing with, extremely small loan amounts, and that can have a detrimental effect to those particular originators in those markets, and can create an underserved situation where they essentially don't do business in those small markets, and then those borrowers are left to deal with larger, national lenders who, of course, aren't located locally, and they're not able to therefore be able to get, well serviced, and in a lot of cases, get the kind of terms that they really should be entitled to.